Okay. So I'm on 7%. I did a lot of talking before I got cut off. This is, remember how, mind your business. Remember how I had this stuff in the bottom of my fridge? Okay, this is how the fridge is looking now. All sanitized. Don't fucking fail me. Those are all my vegetables, but apparently vegetables really like humidity, and I keep opening my fridge, thank God. So it's like they're like getting clearer instead of, you know, stuff like that, blah blah blah. But yeah, so I'm gonna end up putting that. I'm either gonna use that to put all the vegetables in Ziploc bags, because you know that's sanitized and stuff like that. So it's like once I'm done, I could just take it out and just take it with my hands and put it in the fucking bags, and then put it in the produce drawer, which is in the sink right now. So this is that's my almond milk. Both of those are almond milk, and then you know that's empty. This is empty. Boom. And then I could easily sanitize the ketchup, the mustard, the fucking garlic, and then I got my meats. Don't really know what the fuck I'm gonna do with those. Probably put them in my freezer, which is I need to clean. So yeah, I'll probably transfer. I don't know. I'm not fucking I'm not cleaning the freezer today. I'll do that shit like tomorrow. But definitely getting the fridge done today. So the meats, honestly, I'm gonna eat some, I think. I don't know. I'll probably eat some meat today, so I'm gonna put them. It really depends on when I need to freeze them by. Let's look at when I need to freeze them. /freeze by the 24th and the 25th. Today is the 17th, so I have time. If I want to keep them like this level of freshness, I could just throw them in the freezer. I don't really know. Hold on, let me check my fucking 7%. Still going strong. So I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with those. The spinach, I also don't know what I'm gonna do with, because I don't feel like washing the container. So so this older spinach, I'll probably just put that in Ziploc bags, and then I'll probably leave my broccoli and like my carrots in like whatever they're in for now. Unless I don't want to. I don't fucking know. I'm just gonna do what I need to do, and that's it. Instead of fucking sitting here and talking about it and overthinking it and all this other stuff. Like, I know enough to know what like I can and can't do, so realistically like that's the only problem. So I'm not even gonna rack my fucking brain about it. I'm just gonna finish cleaning my fridge, which I'm practically done with, which is beautiful. Fucking lovely. This is like gonna be the first time that my fridge has been in order since I moved here. Okay. I got my 30 eggs today. I got the fucking last thing of the 30 eggs that they had. And damn, I'm really a grown-up. Like, I shouldn't be pregnant right now. Like, I should have a baby in me. And I should have a fucking husband that I know like where he's at and what he's doing, and that he loves me, and I don't. like, I don't know what it is, but like lately, not even lately, but like for the past like, I'm not sure how long. When I'm arguing with a nigga, I be wanting to call him babe. It's just like, why the fuck do I want to call this nigga babe? I don't know what that shit is about. I don't know. But it's like, I be wanting to be dramatic. But it's like, bro, I'm always right. So it's like, realistically, I need to be leaving these niggas. Not sitting here, being dramatic, and arguing with them, and talking to them, like, I need them to forgive me. The fuck? Arguing is not cute. I don't like it. So it's like, it's even more baffling. It's like, why don't we listen to Bae? I get it. I know why. Because I'm supposed to be in a healthy relationship. I should be able to call you Bae. Like, we should be like, I'm talking to you like I'm annoying you. I don't like that. Because I'm not. So it's like, I should be able to sit here. I should want to annoy you. I should, like, you know, have the luxury of being able to irritate my man and then apologize. And I don't. So, there's that. So, you know, it's like I'm living vicariously through this fucking piece of shit that's wasting my fucking time in my life. For what? Like, I don't do it. I definitely stop myself. I damn sure do. Bae my ass. Bae my fucking booty hole. So, there's that. None of that. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my fucking sheets today. I know, like, it's terrible. My sheets have the fucking same sheets on my bed. Same sheet. I gotta get more sheets too. Yeah. I do. I need to get more sheets. But you know. This. Okay, so chicken and corn. You know, I could have did this in the bathtub, but that's disgusting. I'm not doing that. And then I'm also gonna have to break my fucking back to do it. Like, who wants to do that? I don't. And that's kind of gross. Like, I'm not about to clean the fucking, like, fridge thingies in my tub, you know. Then I gotta clean the tub first and all this other shit. Like, I'm not gonna do that, and I'm also just not gonna do it. So, yeah. There's just certain things that I'm not willing to do, and that is one of them. That's one. One of many. Yes. Can you, like, cut it out? Jeez Louise. I can't see. I'm legally blind. I can see. Barely. I can see. Barely. Chicken and corn. Like I said, I like G.I. Joes too. Like, sir. I'm sorry, but I'm not really into that like that. I'm not into that. You can't, no. I'm not into that. I'm not. They're just... Plus, it's like I already said, like, bro, you're old. You're old, one. And then, like, I also, from what I've seen, I don't really like your personality like that. So, even if you were not old, I would not be interested. And then it's like my least favorite thing about dating, not even my least favorite, but one of them, is like niggas really sit here and perpetuate the idea that it's like they get an all access pass if you even make eye contact with them. And it's insane. It really is. Like, bitch, I could sit here and pretend to be interested all goddamn day. Like, I'm not flirting back with you, okay? I'm not complimenting you back. I didn't tell you that you had a chance. It didn't even seem like you had a chance, to be honest. You sitting here, you know, because what you gotta do is not even talk to me in the first place. You literally, like, don't even fucking bother at this point. I don't be shooting my shot. You need to stop shooting yours. Let people approach you. The fuck? Don't talk to me. Beautiful. My fridge is so sexy right now. Chicken and corn. It's like, don't touch me. I didn't say I was gonna fuck with you. You said you wanted to give me, you wanted me to have your number. Like, sir, I don't feel like dubbing you. Like, stop sitting here and acting like, oh, it's as simple as I'm not interested. I don't want to talk to you. Da, 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 da. Bitch, why the fuck do you want me to talk to you like that? That's what I don't understand. Like, cut it out. You're a fucking animal. Stop it. Cut it the fuck out. I don't like that shit. I don't have to sit here and fucking tell you I don't want you. I don't have to do that. You don't have to sit here and try to force me to tell you that I don't want you. You don't even want me to tell you that I don't want you. And if you do, it doesn't fucking matter because I don't have to do what you want me to do. I don't. Like, you can't tell me I'm the only woman that you approach today. And even if I am, why? Why me? Why